Hello, welcome to Dihua and welcome to our traditional Taiwanese medicine shop. Yeah, our name is Huang Changsheng, and since 1953, we have a lot of products like the pepper and more spicy one. We have a lot of tea you can use in the next season, in the cold winter, and make you feel warm. Our most famous product is plum juice.
I want to buy this.
Yes, you want to buy it? And you want to try it?
Oh, I would love to.
Okay, follow me, follow me.
Okay, let's try it.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so good when you're thirsty too.
Yeah.
So is there tea in here?
Just only water. So and herb.
Oh, only water
Yeah.
and herbs.
Water and plum.
And is there caffeine in there?
No, it's zero caffeine. Yeah.
Cheers. Once you start drinking, I can't
Yeah.
stop. I just want to like.
Okay, okay, cheers.
在台北这个街道大概有100多年了，啊，我这一家店是从我父亲早期留下来，到今年有72年。
Wow, such a long time.
这个是叫龟苓膏，
龟苓膏。
是我们自己做的，好，我们是招待给好朋友啊来玩啊，来台北啊，我们就请他吃这个，就是一些中药去熬煮的。
Wow.
It's good.
Wow,
It's
it's,
actually
yeah,
good.
yeah, it's really good. 对
很好
，yeah.
吃。
看起来黑黑，but 吃起来。
这个吃起来是不是很舒服？这是养颜美容又帮助消化的，也顾皮肤的。然后，那你吃到这边会回甘。
Makes us
It's gonna be
beautiful.
pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat 10.
And take home.
那我吃这个。
这个叫甘草，
甘草
它是干干的，现在可以吃哦。
Okay, 甘草 here.
What's this?
有，
It's a kind
很
of.
像那个精神一样。
Welcome to Wang Tea. We have the tea tasting, so you can try different kinds of Taiwanese tea. So that's the first floor. And the second floor, we do have the traditional music. In Chinese, we call Nanguan. This event, it happens every Saturday afternoon.
So like, and we go up there and then we can listen to music and drink tea at the same time.
Yes.
Is that right? Wow, that's pretty cool.
And about the music, is it the recording or real people play? Like, is it live music?
A group, they play
What instruments do they play?
traditional one, yes, in like erhu.
Oh, I've heard of a before. So we're going to listen to some live music today on a Saturday. That's really cool. We came at the perfect time.
Welcome to our traditional room. This is the traditional way. We use charcoal to roast it. And this company, Youji Mincha, is the last company in Taipei who's still using charcoal to roast our tea. We use this basket, and inside we will put the 60 kilograms charcoal. And using a tool, crushing it, make it into little pieces, and put the tea in a basket. And very important thing is we only need the temperature. We don't need the smoke. So during our roasting process, we don't need any smoke in this place.
So like when you prepare the charcoal, like how long does it take until the smoke is removed?
It's about 8 hours. So this quantity can let us use about 3 weeks. So whole 3 weeks we can use this for our tea.
Wow, so the same pile of charcoal will be here for 3 weeks.
Yes, whole 3 weeks.
Wow.
So you still can see there's the way how we prepare the charcoal. So from the big one to the small one. That's really heavy.
Yeah, it's so heavy. To crush the charcoal. Cool.
Welcome to Wonti, and at this part we're going to try how to separate the leaves and stems. You guys have to learn how to distinguish the leaves and the stems.
Okay, so this is the stem.
Yes.
So I can like break it?
Yes, just
break it apart.
separate from the leaves.
You got it.
Yeah. But be careful not to crush the leaves.
Yeah, and what is the purpose of separating the stems from the leaves?
Usually it's about the look and the taste. So after separating the leaves, the taste will be better, and the face, the look will be better than before.
Jason, can
Yeah.
you tell me the story of your tea shop?
Sure. The brand we call it Wonti is actually founded in 1890, and we moved from China to Thailand actually, and then we came to Taiwan around 1947, and we chose to locate right here. This area we call it 大稻埕 in Chinese, where you use to import and export a lot of tea.
Yes.
Since then, we just bought the tea from the farmers, and here's a refinery tea factory. So we didn't do, and we don't do the fermentation right here. We actually refine the tea, so we just bought the tea from the farmers and then refined it. And how we refine it, we just do the grading first. We have to make sure the quality, the quantity, and also we have to make sure that pass the regulations, like the pesticide.
Yes.
And after that, we have to do like this one to separate the leaves and stems. And then after that, we just do the roasting and blending.
Wait, so we're doing this free work for you? Can we at least have some tea?
Yeah.
Yes, we opened a new tea house in 2020, September 2020. So that's a whole new way to drink tea. We don't sell the bubble tea, and there's no sugar. Just pure tea, very healthy. Yeah. So we got that kind of new, what we say, kind of revolution for tea beverage.
Yes.
And we also have the sparkling tea, the nitrogen tea.
Fun.
Sounds so good.
Yeah. I want to try the sparkling tea.
Yeah. Welcome to Wonti Lab. That's our tea house. So we try to make a scene at a new tea house right here. So that's our roasting basket.
Oh, it's up there now.
Yes. Upgrade version.
Yes, exactly.
On top of the bar, we got 3 holes. So that just represents the holes we put in the charcoals. We don't try to make it as a new thing right here. We still try to keep the traditional part of that. So maybe 30% old and 70% the new one. So you can see the brick walls over there. So that's from the original building.
Wow, very personal.
And we also have different ways to brew the tea. The pour over, the draft one, the machines. Yeah, the beer. And as you can see down here, we use the tile, the bricks to build up.
Red tiles. Oh, this reminds me like a rooftop. Yeah, the tiles of the rooftops as well.
And actually we put the patterns at the stairs right here. So that's what we try to emphasize, the roasting, the blending, and the brewing process. All right, because over there we use the blending process to control the quality and also have the quantity. But right here we use blending process to make new flavors. So we blend like 2 or 3, 4 different kinds of tea together to come up with something new.
Wow, does
Because-
it taste good?
It does.
Want to try?
I do.
Questioning it?
I'm sorry.
Right, so do you want to drink some tea?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, right here we got 4 kinds of tea. We got the fantastic 4. We got a sugar cane. We got a rosé. It's not rosé because
Rosé.
we use 洛神
I love
as an
Lawson.
ingredient, so we call it rosé, not rosé.
Oh.
Yes, and also Haimisu. So I'm gonna demonstrate the first time. So you grab a cup,
Okay.
and it must be like an angle right here, maybe 45 degrees.
45.
And then just pour the handle.
Okay.
You just
Okay.
do like this. You can see a pink color, yes.
Yes.
So right here you can see that we use the brick down here. It represents the holes built by the bricks. And we got a basket on top of that. And the fabrics right here, that's just represent the clothes. Hanging over here.
Oh, there's a cake.
Yes.
What is it made of?
It's all made of tea. So we got a 铁观音 pound cake, roast pound cake, and has
Mixture of Taiwanese rose.
铁观音, yes.
Romantic.
Very good. And then also very good matches with
With
the
my
drink
tea.
right here.
Yeah.
And got a 鸡爪.